A very big warm welcome to these 4 baby yoga sessions. These sessions are being created for you to dip in and out of from the comfort of your own home, and you can repeat them as many times as you like. These classes are not your typical mum and baby yoga classes where mum does yoga and baby just comes along, but this is actual yoga for your baby based on hatha yoga passed down through generations in India. All 4 sessions have a similar layout and many sequences are repeated throughout the sessions so you and your baby can practice and feel familiar and confident. So we always start with a lovely hello song. We give your baby some sensory stimulation with a scarf while you have a good stretch. We breathe into some yoga inspired movement for you. We learn some really engaging lap action songs and explore the vestibular and proprioceptive systems. We always give the babies a short warm-up massage before they start their baby yoga sequence. We then finish the session standing up for some very fun action swings and dips, and after all that exercise, your baby will surely qualify for a deep and restorative sleep, and you can relax and feel accomplished. These sessions can be purchased by clicking on the link in the description. I really look forward to seeing you there soon.